Okay, let's go over the lián pattern. This pattern means even in English and is used to emphasize something surprising, unexpected, or extreme. We'll look at a couple of these patterns. The first is lián, subject, dou, plus a verb phrase, means even subject verb phrases. This will make more sense with an example. 连小孩都认识这个字. So this is something extreme. This character, 这个字, is so easy that even children can recognize it. 连小孩都认识这个字. The next pattern is the same except we negate it by adding a 不 in front of the verb phrase. Our example is 连中国人都不认识这个字. This is again something extreme since it's saying that this character is so uncommon that even Chinese people don't know it. 连中国人都不认识这个字. For the next pattern, we have a subject in front, and the verb phrase turns into a verb. 他连这个题都会做. This is something unexpected or surprising. The problem is so hard that it's unexpected that he is able to solve it. So we're saying, he even knows how to do this problem. 他连这个题都会做. For the next pattern, we again negate the previous pattern by just adding a 不 before the verb. 你连我都不相信. This is unexpected because you probably expected the other person to trust you. 你连我都不相信. And the last pattern we'll go over is a specific pattern when we negate the verb 有 to have. I feel like this is pretty common, and also it's a bit of an exception because we don't use 不 to negate 有. We use 没 to say 没有 to mean don't or doesn't have. 我连吃午饭的时间都没有. I don't even have time to eat lunch. 我连吃午饭的时间都没有. Now let's look at some more examples. 你连5块钱都没有. 你连5块钱都没有. 这连我弟弟都知道. 这连我弟弟都知道. 他连游泳都不会. 他连游泳都不会. 你连我的名字都不知道. 你连我的名字都不知道.